Hello, everyone. Welcome to today's call. My name is Anita Human, and this newcomers call takes place every Thursday, same time. And you're all welcome. But before we begin, introductions are like a very, very important culture here. So, we're going to do a quick introduction. You tell me about yourself, your name, what you do. You can tell us where you're from. Actually, that follows too. Yeah, and how your day is going or how your week is going. So yes, I'll start. Hi, I'm Anita, a human, and I am a front-end developer, React to be specific. And my day is going pretty well, except there's no light, so I'm sure you can hear the generator in the background. Yeah, that's just about my day. Happy new month, everyone. I remember that too. So on to okay, um, Aditya, you want to go next?
Hi, I'm Aditya. I'm from Calcutta, India. I'm a CS undergrad. My day has also been going pretty well. I'm doing the MLH hackathon, so that's what I've been doing the entire day. That's it. I joined like 2 days back, and I'm doing my first issue right now. So hi everyone. That's it.
Welcome to the community. I hope the issue is going well though. All right, you can just pass it on to the next person and we'll continue like that until we reach the last person. So yeah, you can just call anybody to go next.
Let's just go alphabetically then. Anshu, I'll pass it on to you.
Yeah, cool. Are you talking about init? MLH init?
Yeah, in it.
Cool. Okay. So hello everyone. I'm Anshu. I'm basically from Bhilai, that is in Chhattisgarh. Obviously from India, and I'm information technology undergrad, so-called junior at information technology and services. And I'm in this community from last 1 month. Yeah, and as if I talk about uh, hackathon, then I represent ID Hub this time. In previous time, I represent developer spirit community. So I'm a community guy also, and I'm open source enthusiast as well as contribute. Yeah, I like to pass on to who's next. Kanish. Hey Kanish.
Hello, my name is Kanishk and I'm from JIT Bangalore from India. I'm doing my computer science engineering and I'm new to this. I joined like 3 days back or something. So I'm still trying to figure things out. Yeah. I'd like to pass it on to Bharat Kumar.
Yeah, hello and a very good day to you all. I'm Bharat. I'm from JIT Bangalore and from India. Currently, I'm a CS undergrad. Now currently working on a thermal efficient system for NVIDIA hackathon, and I came here through a hackathon itself. And I'm new to this, so yeah, I'm still figuring things out. Yeah, that's about my day. Uh, I'll pass it on to Devjit.
So, hi everyone. My name is Devjit Chaudhary. I am from Jamshedpur, Jharkhand. I am a third year undergrad studying maths and computer science in IIT Kharagpur. I am pretty much an open source enthusiast. I contribute to Circuitverse, and I joined this community today, so I am very new to this, so still exploring stuff over here. Thank you. So next, I would like to call on Vishal.
Vishal, are you there? You can just type it in the chat if your mic is not like ready right now. Okay. Do you mind calling another person, or I should do that?
Yeah.
Okay. Suhani. I hope I pronounced that right.
Yeah, you
Hi.
did. Hi, I am Suhani Agrawal. I am from India and I am DevOps engineer and I have 3 years of experience. My day-to-day task revolves around system engineering, system admin, and basically around Linux and automation. So I am here to explore open source community to enhance my skill, and yeah, and my day has been very great. So yeah, that's it about me.
Well, that's good to hear. Welcome to the community.
Thank you. And I think I will pass it on to Victory Brown. Yeah.
Hi everyone. Good afternoon. My name is Victory Brown, and I'm a Nigerian, and I'm also a user experience designer. I joined this community, I think last year, but I've not been active, so I'm trying to come back and be active. So yeah, I'll pass it on to Devjit. Yeah, I hope I got that right.
Yeah, I have already introduced myself.
Oh, okay. So I don't think I know who else. Ishan.
Yeah. Hi everyone. I'm from India as well. I'm Ishan. So I've been exploring cloud native technologies for quite some time now. So, and one of my friends is an active contributor here in this community. So he told me about this community. So that's why I'm here, hoping to contribute to this community. Thank you. And I would like to pass it on to Kushal Shah.
It's good to have you here, Ishan. You're passing it to Kushal. I think he said his mic is not so good.
Then I think Prashant could go ahead.
Yeah, hello guys. So I am
Hello.
from India as well, and I'm in the pre-final year. So like I will be going into the final year next month, and I am also an intern currently with a company. And basically, my roles is around like Spring Boot and Angular, but I also know React, and I will be like doing this in my free time. Yeah, that's it. Thanks. If anyone is left, he can continue or she can continue.
I think some persons have left.
Hi guys, this is Krishna from a freshman from JIT Bangalore, India. I am currently pursuing my engineering in computer science, and I usually like to learn about computer vision and deep learning. And usually I dwell there a lot of time, and I hope I would be a great contributor to the Layer 5 and learn a lot of things from Layer 5. Thank you.
All right.
I would next choose Vishal Danure.
Hello. Yeah, go ahead.
We can hear you.
Yeah, so I'm a third year undergraduate student and I'm contributing in open source in Fedora project. Also, I'm contributing in RHOSC 21, Red Hat open source context. So, at the time is ending up. So I'm starting to contributing in the Layer 5 projects. That's about it.
Okay, I think you are the last person. Yeah, I think you're the only one left. Yeah. So, thank you everyone for the introduction. It was really nice getting to hear how you got into the community. You're welcome to the meeting once again. Let me share my screen so we'll get started quickly. All right, so I think I forgot to mention this again. If you haven't written your name in the attendance, in this particular attendance, I'll drop this link in the chat so you can still write your name while the meeting is ongoing. Yeah, so welcome everyone to the Layer5 Newcomers call. I mentioned earlier that this call takes place every Thursday by this time, and we talk about everything and anything. So, and this call is not restricted to just newcomers. I'm sure you heard other people say they've been in the community for some time. So it's not restricted to just newcomers. And even if there's like your 1000th time in this community, you're always welcome to join us and bring your input and your contributions, and also even your questions if you have any. So that is just about it. And yeah, what do we do in this call? We answer questions, we discuss about things, we address issues that relating to tasks that you're assigned, we provide tutorials and resources that you need, and also we usually have tutorials on like the different parts and different projects in Layer 5, but for now we don't have any yet and we're working towards that. So you can also join on a fateful day when we have a call. Yeah, so the Layer 5 community has a thing. I'm sure you've seen this word meshmate either on the repositories or in projects or in the community, and then you'll be wondering what a meshmate is. Well, a meshmate in the community are a group of persons that are delegated to serve as your guardian angel in the community. So if you feel you need extra directions on what to do and you need extra attention on a particular issue you're going through, the best person to meet and ask a question or to reach out for resources or help is a meshmate, because they're always there for you. Yeah, so if you want a meshmate, you can do that by just quickly reaching out to them via Slack or Discord or our Discourse channel, whichever one you choose to. Yeah, or you can just throw an open request in the general channel and someone would want to mentor you through your journey. And yeah, so just get yourself a meshmate. Yes, so overview of the project repositories. Layer5 has both the front end and the back end project, and most of our front end projects are built on Jekyll. The Mesh3.io website is built on Jekyll. Usually my network is always very slow when it comes to loading links like this. So yeah, this is the Mesh3.io website built on Jekyll, and we have the docs, the Mesh3.io documentation, which is also run on Jekyll. We have the SMPspec.io also on Jekyll, the Get Nighthawk, which is still our budding project. It's still very, very new. So if you're looking for where to get started and get your hands dirty, I'd advise you should explore this project, and it's actually very interesting. So yeah, and then we have the Layer5.io, our main website. We runs on Gatsby. Yeah, so you can explore this at your own time and check out the Figma design. If you're good with design and you're looking for a place to, contribute, you can check out the Figma design. There's so many things that a designer could contribute to on there too. So, and I mentioned earlier that we usually have tutorials during this course, because a lot of persons throw a request for tutorials that they want a particular tutorial on a particular topic to help them with their journey in the community. So yeah, we usually have tutorials on these calls, but for a while we haven't had any. So if you think you're good with educating people and communicating ideas to people, then you can also request to like run one of our tutorials, and I will really appreciate that. Other than that, we usually have tutorials here every Thursday, but for now we don't have. So you can still explore the ones that are already existing on this on the Katakoda website, or you can still check the Layer 5 community for the newcomers page. Yeah, there's some tutorials that were already created for some time now, and they're really handy. They're really handy, so you can just check it if you're looking for a way to get started on any of the projects in the community. Yeah, so on that note, let's move on to the next point, which is a project overview. I think I must have reached out to some persons here concerning the project overview. So we have the front end and back
Okay, I think Anita is left.
Oh, thank God. I thought it was my internet.
No. Actually, I just saw that she left. Yeah, I think maybe there's some network issue. Let's wait for like 5 minutes. Otherwise, I present you that. Okay, so basically you are from JIT Hacks, right?
No, I'm from KIIT.
Okay, you are from KIIT. And others from JIT, right?
No, I am from IIT Kharagpur.
Triple IT. Prashant is from Triple IT, right? Okay. Yeah, hope my screen is visible to you all.
Yes, it is visible.
Yeah, thanks. Where she left us? Okay, to mesh, right? Okay. Yeah, if you wanna like know more about Meshery or what is layer 5, here it is, hands-on tutorial, and you can go through this. Yeah, here is some course like Meshery, how to learn or manage your service mesh, and what is obviously what is service mesh and what is this, and performance testing. How to like Meshery is doing compare the performance of two service mesh company. So this is a course for performance testing. I believe I'm not that suitable to take this talk, but yeah, I can. Typically, there is a schedule of technology project introduction tutorials in this call. Here's a list of former tutorials, newcomer, okay. Here is some newcomers tutorials. So you can go through this also. Like you can find here some first timers only issues or good first issues, help wanted issues. You can go through this. Yeah, here is some tutorials also like slides recording with appropriate topics here. If you wanna, like there is many field like machine sheet, CTL. I think I would like to share that. There it is. Yeah. There is many field like issue adapter, and there is one more thing. Yeah, get night hawk, and also there is a linker. I'm not wrong. Yeah, image hub is also here. Boson filter is also here. Like we have different topics and different materials in layer 5. You can just hop to one topic and you can continue over there. Here is some appropriate topics you can go through: slides, recording, and videos. Yeah, join our Slack channel if you didn't. Here is the Slack channel. Interact with like members of the communities. And what I can share is, yeah, here's some book also, I think. Yeah, here's book. Yeah, here's some book like issue and yeah, various architecture on service mesh. And yeah, there is book. If you like to participate on any of the uh, what I can say, any of the service mesh company, or you want to know about service mesh company, you can go through this as well. Yeah, here is the project that I'm talking about. Just talk about. Uh, Here is distributed performance, image hub, meshery, service mesh interface, service mesh performance, and get night hop. Yeah, you can select one from your end, and you can start contribution to that with help wanted or book first issue. And here are some docs if you wanna read some docs on meshery or SMP. Basically, SMP means like service mesh performance, and get night hop dev, get night hop basically. Then you can go through this documentation. It would be helpful to you as a beginner or as a learner. Yeah, hands-on tutorial basically that Catapult one that I show you up. And this is a newcomer that also I shows you. And what we can go through here is on more information. Where it is. Yeah. Here is some blog also. Maintainer blog like Just P is here. Just Patel. He is the maintainer who is participating through I think Goa Summer of Code. He is here. We can write like blog on him. And here is one matchmate also like Nikhil Lada. We are proud to have him. He is like very much devoted to the community. Yeah. And so I want to show you. There's lot of stuff over here. If you wanna learn and contribute over here, then there is a lot of things. Yeah. Also there is a discussion panel. If you wanna discuss on any of the topic or any of the problem you are facing, or you can see some error over there, you can go through this. Meet the summer interns of 2021. Here it is. Dhruv Patel. He is selected from I think if I'm not wrong, yeah, he is a software engineer intern. He is selected as that, and Piyush Singaria is selected I think as GSOC, as you saw here, like Goa Summer of Code, and Swambia is selected from LFX mentorship program. Yeah. So these are the materials. If you wanna explore more over here, so you can go through. Vishal, feel free to speak. And what I want to show you. Yeah, I think here you can find the recordings, maybe, if I'm not wrong. Okay, this is to-do list. You can, now I'm just, hop to an interesting part of yours, like some of the good first issue that you want to, contribute in. Vishal, do you want to say anything?
I think Vishal has left the call.
Okay, cool. I think he has some urgent work, right?
Yeah.
Okay. So if you wanna go through this and yeah, good first issue, then you find this kind of issues. You can fix that. Very simple, not simple, I think. Yeah, this is always on DevOps part. Some are in UI or documentation parts also. Filters part, assembly filter that I show you, and yeah. If you want to go through more issues like help wanted issues, you can find this. Like we have some errors or kind bugs on Mesh ATL. You can read this desired behavior. What is like you want to implement on this issue, or you like what you want to on which part you want to work on this issue. So these are the desired behavior that's expected from you, and this is the current behavior, which is troubling, I think. So yeah, you can go through this. Here's some contributing guide, beginner guide, and actually CTL command tracker. Yeah, command tracker is also one of the main or major good thing if you want to contribute to messaging CTL, or you want to commit to messaging CTL, then you can go through these documentations and commands. There are different commands and different commands for messaging CTL. Here it is listed, like message system reset if you want to reset that, or yeah, you can feel free to read this. If you want me to share this, I'm just sharing it to the call. You can read or go through this. Else part. This is a very major part. Like if you wanna ask anything, like which I'm just explain to you, then you can feel free to ask anything if you wanna ask. I think there's no questions. Okay, cool. Yeah, so basically questions come up with with study or with learning. So you can go through this. You can go through this process, like open source contributor questionnaire. Basically, I think this is FAQs and tutorials, and you want to hands on to some of the service mesh part. You can go through this also. Then you can feel free to ping on the newcomers chat that is here. Feel free to ask anything if you know go through. Actually, yeah, this is my first time first time call, or first time I'm taking this lead. So there's some glitch if I'm not explained like that, then you can uh, please just inform me that you are not going that good, or what material you want. Just ask me for that. Yeah, I will help you. I would love to. Okay, I think who's asking? Bharat, did you ask one question of UI? Did you want to ask anything? Okay, cool. Actually, Bharat is just asking like, I'm an UI intern. Okay, cool. And how do I start with the issues specific to that UI? Okay, because okay, I'm new to this. So what I want to suggest you, like you can take these issues. Like there's some good for issue, I think, if I'm not wrong. Yeah. here is some good for issue or first timers only. You can go through this first, like if you are asking particularly or specific about QI part, then you can go through this, and we would love to encounter the PR if you want to shoot. And yeah, here is also one issue of UI text being cut off in namespace dropdown. This is basically a framework of React. I think someone is working on it. No, it's not assigned. So yeah, you can go through this. I'm just sharing this link on chat, Bharat, with you only. Yeah, and just quick, like quick feedback, like if I uh, did it properly or not, like for UI part, Bharat. Okay, okay, cool. Thank you. And okay, Santhan Bose. Okay, hey Santhan Bose.
Hi, I'm sure.
Hello.
I think you know me. You ping me on the slide.
I can't able to hear you, or I think. Okay, okay, cool, cool. Thank you, thank you, thank you. So Kushal and Dot, can you please give a short introduction about mesh or meshery CTL? Okay, cool. Actually, mesh is what like we are working on some of the Kubernetes clusters or pods, and while working through this, we have we have some problem with mesh or you know uh, kind of what I can say. There is some problem of pods being collide or something like that. Then we can use this feature to. Then we can use this feature to basically solve that issues. I'm not that perfect to answer this question, but with your second part, that of Meshery CTL. Meshery CTL is basically the command line, like as Kubernetes, we have kubectl or yeah, something like that. Then we have Meshery CTL here. You can, for commands, you can go through that Meshery CTL that I show you. Different commands in Meshery CTL. Where it is? Meshery CTL. Just show you. Okay, yeah, here it is. Yeah, Meshery CTL. We have also some open issues and open issues. Basically, you can go through this and you can work on it. Or first of all, I would love to told that you can go through this first. Like I find this as something boost up my contributions over Meshery. So you can go through this, and yeah, that will definitely help you. And you can also know more about Meshery CTL afterward. Just contribute over there. Just contributing over there, and yeah, anything more? There is an open issue for the Meshery. Okay, Meshery CTL. Yeah, yeah. Here is one issue. Shantan Bose has just suggested that we have issue regarding machine here. You can go through this. Here is that command tracker that I just show you here. You can go through this, and yeah, you can like feel free to connect over different members in a Slack channel, or you can definitely raise your hand to ask doubts if it is there in Slack channel. Make sure to join this and just say hi on newcomers chat if you are not. Um, any work related with Python and ML to start with. Um, is there any issue, Shantan, for Python or ML? I doesn't have any idea about Python. Um, no, I think there is no issues regarding Python. Python or ML? No. I think ML is something different from DevOps. Uh, I think than yeah, MLOps is there, but you know that's something different. Um, yeah, you can work on different issues. Like there is some newcomers issue, uh, very quick fix. You can fix it very quickly. If I can show you not in the Mastery than other channels, we have created a list of issues. If you want to start with very beginner friendly issues or something like that, then you definitely go through this. I think it's not a list of issues. Yeah, here it's listed. Yeah, there is some very quickly fixed issues. If it's not working, just a community forum we have to add. Sorry, we have to add on readme. This is a very good first tool. If you want to take this, then definitely you can just ping me on Slack channel or anyone. Then they will assign you that issue, and you can look on that further. Yeah, and yeah, sorry, I think there is no Python issues. We are basically dealing with Golang, so I I don't think there is any Python issue. Um, yeah, okay, yeah, Santanos.
Hello, Anshu.
Hello.
Am I audible? Hello.
Yeah, you are audible.
So I am Aishman Mishra. I am like second year CS student, and I am new to this community. Hello.
Yeah.
And just I wanted to know that like I am very new to Kubernetes and machine CTL, and just I got introduced to machine environment through Cloud Native Foundations, through Cloud Native Foundation environment. So, but I wanted to know one thing. Am I audible?
Yes, you are.
Hello? So I wanted to know one thing that I have just started studying about Kubernetes, and when I see their projects and when I look for their like applying some of their projects, then uh, like when I'm studying React or when I'm studying like some other frameworks or some other things, then I can directly apply it to my currently going on project, or I can make some projects through it directly. But when I have started studying Kubernetes or Meshri CTL, then or especially Kubernetes, then I can't directly apply it to some projects actually. So can you just give
Yeah,
me like how can
yeah.
I like gain
Yeah, I
some
understand your
experience?
point. Actually, Kubernetes and Docker, this is something work with the DevOps part. Uh, yeah. So basically, we have to deploy. We have to just make a project first, and then we have to deploy, and then we have to testing part is also including there. So yeah, this is something you can say a long process. You can't apply it as just making a app on React or something like that. uh, yeah, this is something pretty much about this. If you want to learn over something like on Kubernetes or so you can prefer this as well, like Katacoda is very good platform to start with Kubernetes or DevOps or Docker. um, there is many resources over there, so you can go through that. uh, Let me know if my answer is satisfied to or
Yeah, sure. Actually,
uh, feel free to ask. Feel free to write that question in chat if I can't understand your point or I flow in some wrong direction. Then just write down in chat. I will read that and answer you. Any further questions regarding Mesh CTL or yeah, any organization or any part about layer 5? Anything. Just feel free to share. Shantan, do you want to take some lead for explaining like issues part for newcomers to newcomers?
Okay, so I had an issue. Okay, Anshu, can you go to that that link I have shared you on the goal and part? That is the new issue which is going.
Okay, yeah, okay, I missed that. Sorry. Yeah.
Okay, so I think there are around. Can I just scroll up it? So now Meshari has got a new error extracting part called the error meshit error, and there is a new way of doing it. So if you are new in this Golang environment and learning Go right now, so this should be the good place to start on. Anshu, can you scroll up it? You can see there are around 17 handlers. You have to change these handlers to the new. So Anshu, let me share.
Yeah, do you want to share your screen?
Yeah, I.
Cool, good. Also, you can feel free to ping me or Santon on you know like on Slack. We would love to hear from you.
Okay, so this one was the issue for that, and there are around several child issues which have been created, like 1, 2, 3. So there are three handlers which have been assigned to the other peoples, but I think you can pair up with them and can work with this issue. Actually, what we are doing in this issue is that uh, you can take a reference from this PR. We are just importing this handler functions, like in this error.go, we are just creating a new function which will have the parameter, which will there will be it will collect the errors automatically. What can I say? in the user handler code, previously, like it has been merged right now. Previously, you can see the user handler code, there was function called the loggers.error. Now, what we are changing is that in this loggers function actually need to change in age.log.error. So this is the change that we are inputting. Like you can see in many handlers, there is still like loggers.error.h. Now we have to change this to age.log.error. And you can see that over here there are written like what was the error about. But in this new mesh script errors, what we are doing is that we are creating a new function. Like you can see, we have created a new function and we have some naming variables also, like naming conventions. Like there should be the error, and then what is the error about? Like this is a user reference object error. You can see like user encoding user preference. So what I did was that I created this error. I have this error has been written in error.go file, and you can see I have created this error, and this is the way you have to return this error, like the return error.new, and then you have to pass on the code, error preference code, which has been mentioned over here. You can see that is the code over here. And now there are around like other parameters like this error.alert. This is the fixed parameter. Now you have to change, like there are other 4 parameters. The first one is the short description of that error. Then there is the long description of that error. Then there is the cause of that error, and then the like what will the ways like the user can solve it. There will be 4 parameters, and in this way you can automatically code the error. Actually, this is actually occurring in this place. You can see, like we have in docs, we have an error code portion like this. That is the error name, and there is error code. There is 4 columns, which will automatically be taken when the user falls into something. So I think you can jump on this task. If you have any question on this, you can ask me. I can help you out on this. So I think this is a good place for the co-programmers. What do you want this?
Yeah, actually, Santan, Bharat is asking like he needs some materials on, like some good tutorials to fork or basically on GitHub. So yeah, Bharat, feel free to ask anything, like not only in DevOps or Meshery or Layer 5 part, but also like if you are comfortable, if you are not comfortable with any part on technical stuff, and you can definitely ping us or anything. Like Shantan just provide him some resources. So he will.
Like what type of resources? Like learning pro or something?
Basically of pull request or issues, how to fix issues, how to fork, basically GitHub issue, GitHub tutorial. Yeah.
So I think you can find it in the visual. Tutorial on this part. Yeah, you can find it over here. Like, you can get.
Also, if you could tell us some resources where we could learn Go from.
Okay, so I think I'm sure.
Yeah, I'm here, and if you want to learn something or GitHub, you can definitely go through YouTube tutorials and
So I think Anshu, there was the what we were showing that slides and that recording. Can you open it up again? Because there was a wonderful Go session that was taken by. Okay, wait a minute. I can show.
yeah, absolutely. Yeah, of course. If this part, if you are not clear with this newcomers meeting, or if you find that it's not that satisfaction you got, then there is some more. Yeah, there's some more newcomers meeting. You can go through this as well.
I think this one was a good where you can learn Go. Actually. One of our mate actually taught this. You can go to this. I think this is a good one. Else, I think you can learn Go from internet on YouTube also. But this one was a thing where you can also get a reference on the Messery CTL part also. Like she told about how to contribute in Messery CTL and uh, how do we write Go. So you can find a good resource on this.
Yeah, from my end, like in Mashri CTL is basically, that it's written on, yeah, Golang and basic, yeah, obviously. But if you wanna, I stick to documentation part. I prefer to stick to the documentation part. Then I will some contributions on MessageATL with documentation. I doesn't have that familiar with MessageATL, but yeah, I did something, go through some PRs and yeah, basically that is the plan, or that is the uh, procedure. Do first go with the pull request or the problems on message ATL, and just stick as a shadow to that PR and look it up, like as what are they uh, contribute as code. um, yeah, if you wanna learn anything about message ATL.
Like I'm showing you all the websites that we work on. Like we work on this measure.io. You can contribute over here. We work on layer5.io. You can also contribute if you want over here also. We also work on like discuss.layer5.io. There are some open requests on this also, like fixing of this footer and this snap part. It is not mobile friendly. You can take up that issue. I think. We also work on and sure did I miss anything? Like, there are other websites also. Oh, yeah, GetNet Corporate. And this is actually a new project which is going on. You can find this Figma design over there, and you can change this website. Like you can also find there is an open issue on this. Like this talks when you go to this one, like mobile view, you will see that there are two burger menus, and this need to be changed. And for this, there is an open issue on GetNet Corporate.
Yes, you can take that issues. You wanna like to work on UI part. So yeah, you can go through these issues.
I think this was the issue. You can go through this multiple burger menu. You can do this like that. This was the issue haven't been solved till now. You can do this. So I think we have talked about this UI part and also the backend part. So you can go on this. The front end part is mainly on the React.js, HTML, CSS, Gatsby. And the backend part is mainly on the Go. Wasm filters is on Rust. You can go. Okay, so you can continue.
Okay. Thank you, Anshu. You really saved me today.
No issue. I'm just, a
Yeah,
guest.
thank you.
Yeah.
Yeah, thank you, everyone. It was really an interactive section. I came in halfway, but I really love that everyone was able to interact and bring up issues. Thank you so much, Anshu, for taking this up. It really helped me. And yeah, you could actually take up next week's moderating. You can facilitate the meeting next week, that if that's okay by you, because we actually need to see more faces in the meeting. So you can always request to take that up. And I'm sure he pointed out to the new projects that need helping hands. So if you already did that, thank you so much. And we're past our time, so I think we should wrap up now.
Yeah.
So this meeting takes
Just a sec. I like to thank, Shantan for all his guidance
yeah.
to newcomers. Thanks, Shantan.
All right, thank you so much.
I think there is a question on this chat. I think you can answer.
Okay.
Yeah.
Oh yeah, about the article. Aditya is more familiar with the article, the blog, the blog kitchen, and right now he has quite some things on his desk, I think. But I'll bring it up in the meeting later on today, so I'll address it and get back to you.
Yes, we are talking about Aditya Krishna, I think.
Yes, I'll talk to him about how to go about this issue, because I tried to fix it on my end, but I really missed some points. So I think I'll just reach out to him and get back to you. All right, thank you so much, everyone. It was really nice seeing everyone here. We had a full meeting today, and we should applaud ourselves for that. Okay, I'll see you all next week, same time, same day, every Thursday. And don't fail to join tomorrow's meeting, so you get to meet everyone in the community and make a proper introduction, and yeah, get to meet everybody in the community generally. So thank you so much for joining today's meeting. Bye.
Bye.
Bye. Thank you so much.